keeps tapping. Alright, now we're going to adjust this so that there's a T on top, so you know that's dead center. Which don't think that is yet. No, 2 lines in there right now. It's close. That's F. See that? T's kind of like right after. Line that up. It's harder to see what the... Anyway, there's a T that sits in there. There we are. A little bit better for you. Yeah, so that's it. There's a T in there. Anyways, that's what it's supposed to be lined up to. Alrighty, so we're at the center of it, so we're gonna change the other part, adjust the chain. Gonna try to adjust the cam on this. Has a little rattle. She's already pretty loose. Oh, there you are. I'm gonna try to take it off. Yeah, we're gonna try to put a screwdriver in there to hopefully adjust it a little bit. If I got enough room. It doesn't. I don't think I can do it with that one. They don't give you a whole lot of room for these things. Maybe I should. I try to turn it counterclockwise if I can get it going just a little bit. I don't know if I was on it, I can't tell. Hear it a little bit still. I just adjusted it. I took the wheel off to get to it from the back. I had to go up through there. But I'll show you here in a second. I don't want it getting too hot. That exhaust gets so hot. So next is what you're gonna want to do is see that little spot right there, right where my cord's going. You need to take that 8mm off right there. Alright, we're going to take that off, 8mm. So what you're going to need is a really thin flathead to get in there on that and turn it clockwise. until it stops. So it's all the way backed up. So until it stops, it stopped already. But you twist it to the right, then you go back a quarter turn and you should hear it click. So that was that click noise. So it should be lined up. The tensioner should be right now. So that rattle should be gone. But we'll start it up here in a second. Hopefully everything's right, and I'll do it over if I have to, but I think it should be okay. But you're gonna need a super thin flathead to get in there because it's stupid. But all right, we'll get that screw back on and start her up. Oh. I'll put the choke on a little bit, get it going. It has been reset. I burned that oil off the exhaust.
There's the cam right there. So this is the cam. This is the cam you needed. They're